Hello. I bought in Goodwill auctions a mechanical clock. Supposed to be antique one for $30. The problem was that there was no photo of the mechanism, and it was sold as is for repair, not tested, and all this stuff. I think that $30 is not a big amount of money, so I decided just to buy it and see what they sent to me. So I received it right now, and I'm eager to see what's inside the box, because it can be a surprise. There can be no mechanism at all, or something can be missing. Probably keys are missing 100%, because for some reason they send clocks without keys. I don't know why, what they are doing with them. Probably send them on eBay or use them as a scrap metal. But anyway, so this is what I've got. Oops. Something inside. Okay, now let's try to open it very carefully. It's supposed to be sessions clock, and I guess around 1920s. Looks like. Okay. Let's backside. Well, at least the package is well packaged, nothing broken. Okay, let's see the front, the face. I hope the dial glass is not broken. I hope. You never know what you receive. Okay, there is already part of it. Oh, something already fall apart. Okay, put it aside, and let's see. Okay, glass is there. Well, oops. Oh, looks much worse than it was in the picture. Way worse. Okay, one more part of the column. Так, columns are missing. They're missing celluloid fake marble structure. Okay, at least there are two of them. Put it here, perfect. Looks old. I have the made in the United States of America, and glass is original. Oops. Okay, it will be fixed. No name on the dial. We'll check it later. Looks like sessions clock. Dial is all cracked. Why? I have no idea. Okay, all cracked. Let's close it back. Oh, well. And let's see what's in the back. Let's see the mechanism. Of course, this is broken. Hook is broken. Well, surprise. Key. Oh shit. And the mechanism is not original. It's supposed to be brass. Looks like this is steel mechanism, no bell, just shims. Well, looks like this is not 920s, looks like that was made in way later, and the mechanism is not original. Так, something adjusted by blah blah, don't know by whom. Cleaning and adjust by somebody's name, cannot read it, cannot see. In 1933. Oh, no, you cannot see it there. 1933. Huh. Well, maybe, but what the hell is... Okay, what's inside? Okay, oh good, so the bob is inside. I was thinking that they can throw it away also. No name, okay. Spring for the bob is there, okay. It's not a... Okay, all dirty. Well, that will be, that I will fix. What else there? No, almost working. Well, at least making some sound. Okay, springs are there. So what I will do next, I will take this mechanism from the box and will put it in the gasoline. Some people take all these parts, all these things apart and clean it somehow manually. Make no sense, because for these services they charge like 300, 200, 400 bucks. The thing costs like 30 bucks. What's the point of taking all the part? Just soak the whole mechanism for a few hours in kerosene or gasoline and it will be clean, and all residuals will solve. And then I put some oil, and looks like there is nothing broken there. Mechanism is intact, and everything must work perfectly, especially because it looks like an no name mechanism. That's not good at all. And because it's no name, it can be way younger, or I mean older than the box. Okay, that's it. At least I got something. If you can see, make it closer. That's what you can get for $30 from Goodwill auctions. But you know what? Never knows what you got from them. Okay. Bye.